Chain rule of differentiation. The chain rule is a method for finding the derivative of a composite functions or functions that are made by combining one or more functions. dy over dx equals to dy over du times du over dx. Example, using the chain rule, find the y prime of y equals to 3x minus 4. So solution would be this one. So let u equals to 3x minus 4. So du equals to 3. This d over dx. Then you have this one, y equals to u cubed. So dy over du equals to 3u squared, or simply dy over dx equals to dy over du times du over dx, or equals to 3u squared times 3, or equals to 9u squared, or equals to, yung u is equivalent to 9 times 3x minus 4 squared. So you have this one, but you can use also power formula. Power formula is this one. Oh. Use power formula. So y prime equals to 3 times 3x minus 4 squared times 3, or simply equals to 9 3x minus 4 quantity square. Using the chain rule, find dx over dt of x equals to 1 minus 7t times 1/4 of this one. Let u equals to 1 minus 7t, and then du over dt equals to minus 7. X equals to u 1/3, dx over dt equals to 1/3 u minus 2/3, or we have that one, dx over dt equals to dx over du times du over dt, equals to minus 1/3 u minus 2/3 times minus 7 equals to 1/3 1 minus 7t minus 2/3 then minus 7 equals to minus 7 over 3 1 minus 7t minus 2/3. So y equals to 1 over 5 plus 2x. So you use u equals to 5 plus 2x, du equals to 2, y equals to 1 over u, your dy over du equals to minus 1 over u squared. This one is d over dx. So dy over dx equals to dy over du times du over dx equals to minus 1 all over u squared times 2 equals to minus 2 over 5 plus 2x 1dt squared. Using chain rule, find y prime of y equal to the cube root of x plus 2 all over x. So the solution is this one. Let u equals to x plus 2 all over x. Then your y equals to the u to the power 1/3. So dx equals to 1 minus 2 all over x squared. Then you have that one dy all over du equals to 1/3 u to the power 1/3 minus 1 or 3 all over 3. Or your dy over du equals to 1/3 u minus 2/3. And this one dx, this one is du 1 minus 2 over x squared. So this one is d over dx, du over dx. So dy over dx equals to dy over du times du all over dx equals to 1/3 u minus 2/3 times 1 minus 2 all over x squared, or equals to 1/3 times x plus 2 all over 3. 2 all over x. 2 all over x minus 2 all over 3 times 1 minus 2 all over x squared. So dy over du, what to du over dx? This one is du all over dx. Let's check. So du over dx, this one is dy over du.